Hey everyone, Roborock Qrevo Curv 2 Flow is shaping up to be one of the company's most ambitious and technically advanced robot vacuums yet, aiming to redefine what hybrid vacuum mop system can do. Although it has not been formally launched worldwide, its appearance on Roborock's global website and a brief listing on Amazon Germany already reveal a product designed to push well beyond the capabilities of previous Qrevo models. Much of its identity is built around a completely new mopping system that borrows its design and concept from P20 Living Water Edition, released in China, suggesting that this global version will inherit the same forward-thinking engineering. The headline feature of Qrevo Curv 2 Flow is its roller mopping system, something no other major robot vacuum uses. Instead of relying on spinning pads or static cloth, Roborock's new SpiraFlow roller mop uses a 270 mm wide, rotating cylinder that spins at 220 RPM while being continuously refreshed with clean water. This orientation allows the mop to scrub in a way similar to commercial floor cleaning equipment, keeping constant contact with the surface while reducing streaks and minimizing the spread of dirt. Because it self-cleans in real time as it rolls, the mop is always working with clean water, rather than smearing dirty solution around the room. The vacuuming component of the Curv 2 Flow is equally serious. Roborock lists suction power at up to 20,000 pascals, a number significantly higher than the company's other consumer robots. To handle tangled hair and daily debris, the vacuum uses the Duodivide central brush, engineered with a dual anti-tangle system designed to split and remove hair before it knots around the roller. Roborock also spent considerable attention on carpet and edge behavior. When the robot approaches a carpet or rug, it automatically lifts and covers the mop roller, ensuring no moisture touches soft surfaces. It also features improved edge reach patterns, giving it better cleaning coverage along skirting boards and the edges of rooms. Areas where many earlier robot mops struggle, the docking station is designed to match the robot's advanced capabilities. The station empties the robot's internal dirty water tank and prepares it with fresh water for the next run, giving the system a fully automated maintenance routine with very little user intervention. For navigation, Roborock uses a combination of LiDAR mapping and reactive AI obstacle recognition, which can identify up to 200 types of objects. This ensures more reliable avoidance of cables, pet toys, socks, and other clutter. The robot supports the Matter Smart Home standard, allowing broad compatibility with various ecosystems, and can be controlled through Roborock's app or voice assistants, giving owners flexibility in how they schedule, monitor, or customize cleaning routines. The price remains uncertain, although a short-lived listing on Amazon Germany showed an RRP of 1,999 euros, placing it firmly in the premium segment. Roborock has not yet announced global launch dates, but given that CES 2026 is around the corner, the Curv 2 Flow may debut there as part of the company's next major product push. Overall, the Roborock Qrevo Curv 2 Flow looks to be a bold step forward for robotic cleaning, offering a combination of high suction, refined navigation, and a completely new mopping approach that could dramatically improve how well a robot can clean floors. If Roborock delivers on its claims, it may set a new benchmark for the next generation of all-in-one floor care robots. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day, and God bless you.